Okay, so in this video, we will talk about the functions. Okay, so what is functions now? So we will discuss that. So functions notation. So we have functions notation. If A and B are sets and f is a function from A to B, the given any element of x in A, the unique element in B that is related to x by f is denoted fx, which is read f of x. Now, under functions, we have properties. So, properties 1 and 2 can be stated less formally as follows. A relation f from A to B is function if and only if. So, ito na yung dalawang dalawang property. So, the property number 1, as you can see here. Okay. So, property number 1. The property number 1, every element of A is the first element of an ordered pair of function or f. For property number 2, ayan, no two distinct ordered pairs in f or function have the same first element. So, lagi niyong tandaan at lagi kayong mag-base doon sa properties natin. Property 1 and property 2. So, functions and relations on finite sets. So, example, no, meron tayong A dito. Okay, A as you can see. A is equals to 2, 4, 6. Ibig sabihin, ang lahat ng element ni A is 2, 4, 6. And, itong si B, lahat ng element ni B is 1, 3, 5. Ang tanong, which of the relations are S, T, defined below are functions from A to B? So which of these, no? Which of RST, no? Which of these relations daw is a function, no? From A to B. So we will discuss that later. So ayan, ito na yung sasagutin natin kung function ba sila or hindi sila function. At malalaman natin kung function sila at hindi sila function. Now for question number 1, we have here, okay, A, yung A natin, R is equals to, ito yung ordered pairs natin. Ordered pairs 2, 5, 4, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5. Sabihin naman natin, ayan. So for all x, y is an element of ax, b, no? X, y is an element of S, means that y is equals to x plus 1. So, malalaman natin yan namaya. So, stay tuned. For T, no, for C, T is defined by the arrow diagram. Okay. So, para mas madali yung maintindihan, so let's proceed to problem 1 or question number 1. R is equals to 2, 5, 4, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5. So, X and Y. Ito yung X natin at ito yung Y natin. Okay. Ayan. So, actually, ito, pwede natin itong tawaging domain. Okay? Diagram or domain. Ito namang sa Y, pwede nating tawaging codomain. Ito is B. Ito yung B natin. Ito yung B natin. Yung kanina pinakita natin. At ito naman si A. Okay. From A to B. From A to B. Meron tayong properties, no? Hindi natin itong properties natin, hindi natin to iniiwan kasi nga para mas madaling maintindihan, no? From every pairs natin, ordered pairs natin, lagi kayong magbase dito sa property 1 and property 2. So first, we have R. The first ordered pair natin is yung 2, 5. Ayan. So, 4, 1. Ayun. 4, 3. Ayan. And 6, 5. Ayan. So, function ba to? No? Ang tanong is, dito sa solution natin, itong ordered pairs natin, ito, function ba ito? Okay, yan yung sasagutin natin kung function ba siya. Now, R is not a function because it does not satisfy property 2. Okay, focusing on this answer. Hindi siya function because it does not satisfy property 2. Why? Okay, first, pag-usapan muna natin itong property 1, no? Kasi ang sabi nilang dito, si property lang yung hindi na-satisfy. Every element of A is the first element of an ordered pair of f or function. So, tignan natin. Lahat ng ordered pair natin dito, ayan, 2, ayan, 4, 1 and 4, 3, ayan, and meron tayong 6, 5. Lahat daw ng element ni A dapat unang element dito sa mga ordered pair na to. Tignan natin. Ito yung lahat ng element ni A. 2, 4, 6. Makita natin, 2, 4, nandito pa rin si 4, 4 pa rin dito, and 6. And nasatisfy natin si 1 kasi nga lahat ng element ni A andito sa unahan ng lahat ng ordered pairs natin. Now, for property number 2, ito yung hindi na-satisfy kaya hindi siya function. So, no two distinct ordered pairs in f or function have the same first element. And, ayun, palitan natin ang kulay para ma-notice nyo. Ito yung sinasabi niya. Kaya siya hindi naging function kasi itong dalawang ordered pairs natin, meron silang dalawang common first element, which is against to the property number 2. So, that's why R is not function because it does not satisfy property 2. At itong reason, yung dalawang first common element natin. Ayan, yung 4. So, hindi niya na-satisfy si property 2. No, that's the reason na hindi siya function yung ordered pairs, given ordered pairs ng R kasi nga yung orders nila meron silang merong napaloob dito na common first element, and that is 4. As you can see dito yung 4 or 4 1 and 4 3, yung first common element nila is andyan yung 4. Okay. So simple as that. Now, for B naman tayo, ayan, hindi pa rin natin iniiwan si properties para yan yung maging guide nyo. Ayan. Ayan. Ayun. So, B, for all x, y, element of AXB. Then x, y is an element of S, means that y is equals to x plus 1. So, paano kaya, no? Sa pamamagitan nito, malalaman natin na hindi siya function. So, let's see. As you can see, meron tayong, andito na yung natin para maging guide nyo. Andito yung A natin. Lahat ng element ni A, andito. Lahat ng element ni B, andito. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Okay, sa pagkuha ng function natin. Kasi, x, y is an element of S, means that y is equals to x plus 1. Let's see. Ayan. As you can see, ito, 2 is an element of A kasi nga makikita natin si A, makikita natin si 2 dito kay A. Okay? So, ayan. And we know that there is y in B such that y is equals to 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Meron daw itong si y, no? Okay? There is, ayan. There is y in B such that pag ganito yung magiging result natin. Using yung dito, yung formula dito, ayan, magiging, meron daw si y kay b kapag ganito, ang sagot, 3. Bakit? Kasi itong si 3, andito siya. Andito siya kay b. Yan lang yung ibig sabihin niya. Because, no, there is y in b such that y is equals to 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So, paano natin nakuha yung 3? Okay. So, since ito may x tayo dito, ayan yung x natin. Okay. So, yung 2 natin andito, element ni A. At lahat ng element ni A andito. Ayan. Para isa-isahin natin para maintindihan nyo. Okay. Andyan lahat ng element ni A. So, yung x natin dito, sinubstitute natin si 2 at galing siya dito. Ayan. Yan yung 2. So, pinalitan natin yung x natin as 2, then 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, where in fact, yung 3 naman, makikita natin kay b, at yun yung naka-state dito, there is y in b such that y is equals to 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Okay, next, 4. So, 4 is an element of A, and as you can see, andito si 4, element ni A. And we also know that there is, okay, it still states that there is y in B such that y is equals to 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Yun. Bakit? Anong ginawa natin? Sinubstitute lang natin. Balikan natin si x dito. Ito. Sinubstitute natin si 4 kay x. So, as you can see, andito si 4 kay x. Under siya kay x, no? Ayan. Sinubstitute lang natin tong si 4. At pag ipa-plus natin yan sila, 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Where in fact, yung 5 naman dito, makikita natin yung 5 dito. Ayan. No? Andyan yung 5 sa kay B. Part siya ni B. Where yung y na sinasabi, ito kasi ito nire-represent ni itong si si y, lahat daw ng element ni B makikita kay dito under kay y. So ayan, yung sagot natin na 3 and 5 na sinasabi there is y in B such that ganito. Yung y is equals to 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Y is equals to 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Meron sila kasi nga itong dalawa, itong 3 and 5 is meron dito kay B. Meron sa mga element ni B, no? Lahat ng lahat ng result, no? After natin i-substitute yung 2 at saka yung 4, ang result natin is 3 at saka yung 5 na meron dito kay B. Yan ang ibig sabihin na there is y in B such that y is equals to 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Okay, next. 4 is an element of A. Okay. But we know that there is no y, take note, there is no y in B such that y is equal to 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. Bakit? No? How come? So, ito yung sagot. S is not a function because it does not satisfy property number 2. So, tulad ng sabi ko sa inyo, dito, there is no y in B such that y is equals to 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. As you can see here naman, yung lahat ng element, yung lahat ng value ni y, is wala kayong makikitang 7 dyan na possible. Ito yung ordered pairs natin. Ito, tignan nyo. No? Example, ordered pairs natin is 2, 3. Okay. Andito yung 2, 3. Andyan. 2, 3. 4, 5. Andito yung 4, 5. 6, 1. Possible kasi ito siya. Or else na natin yan. Ito siya. Ito. Ayan. Okay, 6-1. Ngayon, sabihin natin hindi yung 6-1. Hindi yung 6-1 ang ano niya. Hindi yung 6-1. No, wait lang. Erase lang natin to. Okay? So, ayan. Sabihin natin dito naman siya yung arrow niya. Dito naman sa 3. So, ang reason kaya hindi siya function because it does not satisfy property number 1 kasi nga yung ordered pair natin, ang sabi dito, sabi ng tinatawag na property natin, yung pina-follow natin, every element of A is the first element of an ordered pair of function. Since ang ordered pair ng function natin, yung binigay natin example dito is is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, where in fact na kahit hindi rin 1 to, no? Among of these element, example, yung 3 or 5, either of these 3, ang i-paired natin dito kay 6, wala pa rin sa 7. Wala pa rin sa 7 sa option. No? Na ang sinabi ni 1, every element of A is the first element of an ordered pair of function. Okay. Let me erase this one para hindi tayo ma-confuse. Ayan. So, ibalik natin yung 6 to 1. Ayan. Okay. Sinabi ko lang kanina is kahit saan dito, yung magiging pair ni 6 is wala pa rin sa 7. Yun yung point natin dyan. So, dito naman sa property number 1 natin, kung makikita nyo, lahat daw ng element ni A is the first element of an ordered pair of f or function. Baka na-confuse kayo, yung 2 natin, first element din, andyan yung 2. Ang 4, andito rin yung 4. Ang 6, andito rin yung 6. Baka na-confuse kayo na tama naman yung baka maisip niya, tama naman. Bakit hindi siya function? Tama naman, na-satisfy naman yung lahat ng element ni A, dapat nasa unahan ng mga ordered pair. the problem is yung ordered pair nga dito, hindi siya 7, no? Walang 7 dito. Which in fact na itong sinasabi dito, pag isa-substitute daw natin si si 6 kay x, yung palitan natin si x dito, as you can see, pinalitan natin si x, ang pinalit natin dito 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. Wala si y kay b kapag ang sagot is 7. Ayan, 7. Kasi nga, walang 7 dito kay b. Na pag i-ordered natin to, hindi natin makikita sa ordered pairs na to ang 7. Na yun ang pinupoint ng property 1 na dapat si A, lahat ng first element, si A, lahat ng element niya is nasa first ordered. Andyan, na-distribute naman siya sa first ordered. Pero paano mo matatawag na part siya ng ordered na to kapag ang kung saan ang 7 is dapat makalagay dito para makumpleto na yung ordered niya is andyan yung ordered. Andyan yung first element. Pero ito, although andyan yung lahat ng first element natin, pero yung ordered, wala dyan yung ordered na 7. Andyan, dapat ang partner niya dito, yung 6 natin, at saka 1, dapat yung 1, dapat 7 yan. So, pag 7 yan, no? Kung may 7 lang tayo dito, let's say example, no? Let's say for instance, may 7 dito, ayan. May 7 dyan, okay? Okay, may 7 dyan, is, magiging function to. Tapos ito magiging 7, ayan, magiging 7, magiging function siya. Pero since wala itong 7, wala sa option ng 7 dito sa y, no? Wala siya diyan. So ang ordered natin is hindi tugma sa hinihingi, no? Yung nire-required na ordered is wala dito kasi dapat 7 dito para masatisfied talaga si 1. Kasi lahat ng element, no? Lahat ng element na A is the first element of an ordered pair. Ordered pair kasi hinahanap natin, dapat ang paired ni 6 is 7. Which in fact, wala siya dito. Wala rin siya dito. No, wala tayong magiging option dito. So, that's the reason na hindi siya function. Pag hindi nakita yung ordered, yung hinihingi na ordered, then hindi siya function. Next. Okay, so we have yung T natin, no? Ito yung pinaka-last question. T is defined by the arrow diagram. So, meron tayong properties. Andyan pa yung properties natin. Ito yung solution natin. And we will see, no? Kung function ba siya or hindi. So, ayan. First, no? As you can see, 2 and, okay? 2 and 5. Meron tayong 2, 5. Andito na yung 2, 5 natin. Andyan. Next, 4, 1. Andito yung 4, 1 natin. Next, 6 and 1. Andito na yung 6 and 1 natin. So, T is function. Bakit sa function? Tignan nyo. Ang first property natin, tignan natin. The first element of A is the first every element of A is the first element of an ordered pair of f or function. So, tignan natin lahat ng element dito. Dapat ito nasa unahan ng lahat ng pair. Ordered pairs natin. Andito, 2. Andito yung 2. Sa unahan pa rin, 4. Andito yung 4. 6. Andito yung 6. So, nasatisfied natin si 1. Yan. Yung ordered pair natin, kung saan siya nakaturo, yun yung ordered pair niya. So, yung kanina, yung pinag-usapan natin, yung 7, kasi nga, walang 7 dito. So, yung ordered pair niya na 1, no? Although, nasatisfy natin yung lahat ng first element, pero yung order, hindi natin nasatisfy doon sa letter B. Okay. Now, sa property 2, no two distinct ordered pairs in f or function have the same first element. So, wala naman tayong makikita dito na first common element, no? Wala tayong makikita dyan na first common element. Compare doon sa number 1 natin, meron tayong 4, 1, and 4, 3. So, may first common element tayo doon, kaya hindi siya function. Ito, wala tayong makikita. So, these ordered pairs, nag-a-agree sila sa property 1 and property 2. So, this is function because each element in 2, 4, 6 is related to some element in 1, 3, 5, and no element in 2, 4, 6 is related to more than one element in 1, 3, 5. So, wala, no? Walang nag-exist or walang naulit dito sa mga element na dapat nasa unahan, no? Okay. So, when these properties when these properties, no, as you can see here, when these properties are stated in terms of the arrow diagram, they become number one, there is an arrow coming out of each element of the domain. O, as you can see dyan, dito, each element daw, may lumabas na arrow, no? Number two, no element of the domain has more than one arrow coming out of it. So, dapat walang sample si 4, dapat walang manggagaling kay 4, no? Hindi siya madodoble yung arrow niya. Kasi once na nagdoble, that is not a function. No, magkakaroon siya ng common element. First common element kasi nagamit mo siya ulit. Yun ang ibig sabihin diyan. Pag ganon, so you can write T2, as you can see diyan, yung T natin, ito T, at saka 2, sinabi niya T2 is equals to 5 kasi dito siya naka-arrow, point yung arrow niya kay 5. So, T2 is equals to 5. No? T4 is equals to 1. Ayan. And T6 is equals to, ayan, is equals to 1. Andito lang. Ayan, no? Okay. So, simple as that. And I hope you learned from this topic or this video tutorial. And thank you. That's all.